Howdy peeps! Today I'm showing you guys how to make some fondant decorations for a cake. It was going to be a double-sided cake, so there's some Paw Patrol themed stuff and then some dinosaur, well, one thing for the dinosaur side of the cake. The first there was a rainbow as you saw, and then these pieces I'm just cutting out for the paw prints, and I just made sure that I wet the side down of all of those so that it didn't show the cornstarch and all of that on there. I had to make a 3 for the girl, and then it was a 6 for the boy. The 3 I later on painted on some paw prints onto it, but the 6, because it was the dinosaur theme, I did some leaves. And here you can just see me adding all those little pieces. And then that is basically, I think, all that I had to make for that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and this is everything I made at the end here.